In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews on Samcart. Whether you're already familiar with Samcart or just getting started, adding reviews to your checkout pages can significantly boost your sales by building trust with potential customers. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Samcart website. Simple enough, right? Once you've reached the home page, the next step is to log into your account. Enter your login credentials and click that login button to proceed. If you have trouble remembering your password, there's a handy Forgot Password link to guide you through resetting it. Now, once you're logged in and on the dashboard, turn your attention to the menu. Look for the section labeled Pages and give it a click. This will take you to a list of all your existing pages, including product pages, landing pages, and most importantly, your checkout pages. From this list, select the checkout page where you want to add customer reviews. Once you've selected the appropriate page, it will open up in the edit mode, allowing you to make all the necessary tweaks and improvements. As you're now in the page editor, think about where you'd like to place the reviews. This could be above or below the product details, or perhaps next to a call to action button to give potential buyers that extra nudge they might need. Pick a location that feels natural and doesn't clutter the layout. Once you've decided on the perfect spot for your reviews, it's time to add the Testimonials widget. To do this, place your cursor in the chosen area, then type in a / followed by the words Testimonials widget. Once you've entered that, press the Enter key to add the widget to your page. You're almost done. The last and one of the most crucial steps is to make sure you save or publish your changes. It's easy to get caught up in the editing and forget to hit that Save button, so double-check that everything looks good and click Save or Publish. This ensures that your reviews are live and visible to all your prospective buyers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to enhancing your Samcart checkout page with reviews. Adding this layer of social proof can make a significant difference in your conversion rate by reassuring customers of the value and quality of your products. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips to optimize your online sales. Happy selling!